Guys, we are seeing some huge dips in the crypto market right now. Should you be buying? Should you be selling? I'm going to be talking about that in today's video. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals, and if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy, so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more, I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell, so that you guys can sell as well, or hold your position. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. Guys, it doesn't matter if you're only at $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it's never too little. I've seen successful patrons start with those amounts time and time again. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And if you love cryptocurrencies, smash that like button. Guys, we've seen some red on the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum as of lately. Guys, this is completely normal and healthy for a bull run. It has to have its cool down corrections period. It can't just go straight up. It can't just go straight down. This allows people to buy in. It allows the whales to buy in. And guys, you want to swim with the whales and do what they're doing. And that's why you want to have some cash on the side to buy the dip when I call it out on my Patreon. Guys, an article just came out and it's discussing why we're seeing this drop. It's titled, China Property Fear Spreads Beyond Evergrande, Roiling Markets. China has recently been forcing companies to start paying back their debts when people have actually bought bonds from them. Well guys, inevitably, this has forced a lot of companies to literally have to give up their property, unfortunately. Well, inevitably, it's not only sparked fear in the marketplace for China, but also in the US market as well. And guys, that's why we've been seeing some dips. But never get scared. Never have paper hands and sell for less than you bought in for. Always have diamond hands until you've reached your desired profits. It always goes up, you just have to wait. Guys, we're seeing similar things play out for the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones in the stock market. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth of $4,000 each. You can liquidate that SNS straight to your bank account or buy cryptos with it. Guys, another article just came out titled, As House Returns, Democrats Face Hard Choices on Biden Mega Bill Infrastructure. One senator compared the challenge to Rubik's Cube on steroids. They're currently dealing with this infrastructure bill to decide how to tax cryptos. Guys, they feel like they don't want to get in quite yet because they want the crypto industry to grow more. But when it does, they feel like they'll be able to paint people into a corner so that they can make more money taxing cryptos. Guys, there's nothing to worry about right now. People are just getting scared. They're getting fearful about this fake news. Guys, El Salvador came out saying that they're actually currently buying the dip on Bitcoin. Guys, why are they doing this? Because they need to accumulate. They need to accumulate millions and billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin for their country, which now accepts Bitcoin as legal tender. They want to be able to buy this up so that when their citizens purchase Bitcoin in order to use Bitcoin, they'll literally make money. Guys, they'll make a lot of money, and they very well may be a much more successfully economic country in the long run this way. Guys, some of the biggest whales and countries out there are currently buying Bitcoin, not because they believe it's going down in the future, but because they have confidence of it going up. And guys, trust me, we've seen it go up historically for so many years. I believe it'll continue to go up, and nothing can stop it. Guys, it's not about the short term, it's about the long term for crypto. We've continuously seen it go up over time. In the short term, sure, we have that volatility where it goes down and it goes up. But guys, that volatility is what allows us to buy at those dips and then sell at the peaks just thereafter. So don't worry about the FUD and fake news out there that the whales are putting out. Guys, they're putting it out there because they've shorted these different cryptos, trying to get the prices to go down so that they can make money. But then when they see that the prices are only going up, they're then going to have to be forced to be bullish and then rebuy their position at a higher price. Because the reason we see huge drops all at once is because the whales talk. They talk together, the people with the most money out there, and they agree to buy at the same time and to sell at the same time. Guys, they have a lot of people hired to watch the charts throughout the day, just like I do, so that at the push of the button, they can move millions and billions of dollars just like that. Guys, it doesn't matter if it's 3 a.m. or 4 a.m., they're ready to do it because they hire these people to stay up all night and watch the charts. Guys, if you bought the dip back when I called out Dogecoin at 15 cents, you made an easy 100% very quickly. Guys, this could happen again. Even though we're seeing Dogecoin hang around 20 cents right now, it could very well be at 30 cents just in early October. Guys, historically, we've seen October, November, December being very bullish months, so I'm getting ready. I'm making sure that I'm positioned very well for these months to come. Guys, another article came out titled, Bitcoin might be safe under a global stock market crisis, which would inevitably allow Bitcoin and cryptos to actually be a hedge against the stock market, because cryptocurrencies aren't fundamentally affected by the things that the stock market is always affected by. My software tells us that it is a great time to buy. Guys, last time I saw my software telling me this kind of thing for Ethereum was at 1800, and then it bounced right above 3000. So guys, it's one of the best times to buy in, and very possibly a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. And guys, let's take a look at the Dogecoin charts. And guys, as we take a look at the Dogecoin charts, we see a lot of consolidation, right? It's consolidating a lot. It's been consolidating. We had our peaks, which allowed us to sell, and our dips, which allowed us to buy. However, we continue to consolidate. We had a peak again, we had another dip. Guys, we went down from there, and because we went down with such a deep dip, this allows us to buy right now, allows us to accumulate at this dip and buy as much as we can, because with such a steep dip, we will go up from there. And guys, be ready to sell when I tell you that I'm ready to sell. And if you haven't already joined my Patreon, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more, I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold your position. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And I'll see you tomorrow.